name is Youssef Mourad. I'm a former intelligence analyst. I was working as a counter-terrorism analyst and also as geopolitical analyst. I've decided to change career as I was working with the Red Team. Witness the whole process, how they conduct operations to infiltrate criminal and terrorist organizations network. So I got inspired from that idea, and I want to use my knowledge, in a more technical field. It was a little bit challenging when I became a cybersecurity analyst. During that time, I had a few friends who told me about cybersecurity, CyberNow Labs, as a school, vocational training school. They not only train you to earn your security plus, but they also train you, and you act as a SOC analyst. Working in real environment using concrete tools. And that was super excited for me. To change career. I made the decision to join CyberNow Labs because of its reputation. Through my friends, I learned that a lot of students who graduated took them only a few weeks in job markets before they land their first job. And that's encouraged me a lot. Also based on my friend's claim, was told that they have highly dedicated instructors. They walk you through even if you don't have any IT skills or you've never been in cyber security environment. And this is just inspire me, to give myself a chance and to get my hands dirty, as we said, to learn about the whole tradecraft. It was not extremely difficult, neither it was super easy. But if one has the determination and the ardent desire to learn, willing to get there, nothing can stop her or him. The good thing about CyberNow Labs, we have dedicated instructors. They walk you through every single aspect, during the interview. They have a well-structured, guidance, what to expect in the interview, the knowledge that we built, and keep in mind, and it was not hard, as long as you know, the area that you need to have at least some basic knowledge. Nobody has a great knowledge in every aspect. Cybersecurity, it's a huge domain, and nobody claims knowing everything. So, and also, we had group studies. We just acted as interviewer, and we covered every company. We had some idea, what they do exactly. So before, we have the interview, with the potential employers, we already have some knowledge, about the area they cover, so what they focus on, what they need, and also based on their operations, the clients they're dealing with, we already are somehow semi-full prepared, before, we have face-to-face, with the interviewer. Cybersecurity, it has many fields, but the basics to start with, for Security Plus, for example. As a future candidate, or current students, taking classes right now, do not freak out. If you take a log, looking at it, it looks like a gibberish. You won't be able to understand everything. But just give yourself, some time, and to learn a little bit of everything every day, and you will get there. Well, you have just to be punctual, and you have to be well organized, and even you're tired, and sometimes, you cannot make it, but the good thing, you have recorded material, so you can review it the next day. As long as you keep gaining that momentum, you should be good to go. Yeah, when it comes, to the status, you don't need to have US citizenship or a permanent green card, we have a variety of immigration status, with my fellow students, and don't let that part, discourage you. Even people with the asylum immigration status, were able, okay, to land a job. So when it comes to competence, okay, employers will not discriminate you, okay, if you are U.S. residents or U.S. Citizens, okay, or your status might differ because of what's happened from in your homeland, okay, before coming here to the States. Don't let the spot, okay, discourage you. When they look at you, okay, there is no discrimination. They are looking not for the ethnic group, okay, or for the way how you look, okay, or if you have an accent or not. They are looking for one single thing, and this thing is the competence, your knowledge, if you're able to get the job done or not.